Hey, what's going on, real estate friends? Reed Swizer with Estero Developments and Gulf Gateway Realty coming to you from Lehigh Acres. 2 days post Milton. So, what do we have to say? It was a pretty rough one on Tampa and Sarasota here in Southwest Florida. We got hit hard, especially the islands, but we came through it. And this is just kind of a testament. Lehigh Acres is pretty far inland, and it's a testament to the land acquisition that we do. We don't do flood zones. We don't do areas that are real prone to flooding. We choose flood zone X, which does not require flood insurance. Nice high grounds, nice neighborhoods. If you take a look around, a lot of nice newer houses with new construction all the way around it. So really, it's a testament to buying the right properties. Yes, bad things can happen in Florida, and they do, especially coastal and on the islands. But anyway, this is an opportunity. Got a really nice 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. This home is 1,921 square feet. Let's do a quick walkthrough. And just an FYI, this one is kind of a special situation. I have special pricing on this one house, and when you call me or email me, I can kind of explain why. But let's take a quick walkthrough, and if you like it, I'll give you my contact info at the end. Let's go. So as you walk in, obviously you can see nice big home. Come into a little foyer area. As we go to our right, count of 1, 2 guest bedrooms, then a guest bath, and a 3rd guest bedroom. The laundry room is to the left here. Nice, good size, large laundry room. Come into the kitchen area. Nice big island kitchen. I mean, I can just see some bar stools here. Really good place to entertain, have a nice, family breakfast, whatever it may be. And then we've got a dining area and a nice big living room. A little nook over here where you could put a desk, a bistro table. You could do a lot of different things with it. In the back, nice big covered patio. To save time, I'm not going to walk around out there, but good sized backyard. You can also notice we've got another new construction home directly behind the house. Obviously, with the storm being 2 days ago, I shouldn't have to point out, but no flooding. Obviously, the everything here is good. This house isn't quite done, so if it looks a little dirty, it is. It still needs to be cleaned, but this is brand new. We're in the master bedroom here, so a really good sized master bedroom. 2 closets, a his and hers closet, or if my wife and I lived here, it would be a hers and hers closet, and I'd probably end up in the other bedroom, or my clothes would. Double sink, granite tops all throughout the house, guest bathroom, master bathroom, as well as the kitchen. Look at this big closet. You could do a door here, you could do a curtain here, you could do pretty much whatever you wanted. And then here's a little alcove for the toilet. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in doing something, if you're an end user looking for a nice big 4-bedroom house in a really safe and non-weather prone situation, this is it. If you're an investor looking for a great cash flow rental, these 4 bedrooms out in Lehigh Acres, they rent quick, they stay rented, and they rent for top dollar. You can reach me at 239-229-5948 or floridarealtorx@gmail.com. Thanks, guys.